Painted turtles are the most abundant turtle in the state of New York and at our sanctuary. Their winter hibernation, known as brumation, occurred underwater on the marsh's bottom, even when the water was frozen. During this time, they were absorbing oxygen through their skin, even the skin of their cloaca, in a process known as cloacal respiration or butt breathing. With the warmer weather, they thrive by eating a broad diversity of plant and animal food sources, and it is common to see large numbers of them basking in the sun. In spring, males perform courtship rituals like what you were observing here for the females, and mating follows. Although painted turtles are clearly at home in the water, they are amniotes, as are other reptiles, birds, and mammals, and unlike amphibians are not amniotes. Amniotes share a number of features, like the internal fertilization of a female's eggs, unlike frogs where external fertilization occurs in the water outside the female's body, and reproduction on land without an aquatic larval stage. Turtles, like other amniotes, undergo embryonic development outside of water thanks to the membranes which wrap the embryo. This includes the amnion, the membrane for which the group is named. A month or two after mating, females journey out of the water to dig a cavity in which to lay their eggs. This can be a few yards from the water or up to a half a mile away. Between May and July, you might be lucky enough to pass a female laying eggs, like the female in these images and video from the sanctuary this past month, or from the Bashikil in these images from a previous year. Females typically lay 5 or 6 eggs in a clutch, although the number of eggs in a clutch can range from 2 to 11, and they can lay 2 clutches per year. Eggs will develop between 70 and 80 days before hatching. Interestingly, the temperature of the nest, which can vary based on how deep the nest is dug, or can vary within a nest from the bottom to the top, activates the biological switch which will determine painted turtle gender. Most turtles lack sex chromosomes, so in humans, females are chromosomally XX and males are chromosomally XY. Turtles lack sex chromosomes to determine a chromosomal gender. In most turtle nests, eggs which develop at a lower temperature usually hatch as males. In some species, the eggs incubated at the warmest and coolest temperatures are female, while intermediate temperatures produce males. While developing in the egg or after hatching, turtles are most vulnerable to predation. In the nests, they can be preyed upon by raccoons, chipmunks, squirrels, hognose snakes, crows, bears, foxes, mink, and skunks. It is estimated that more than half of all turtle nests are destroyed by predators. Herons, egrets, bitterns, bald eagles, bullfrogs, water snakes, bears, otters, coyotes, and adult snapping turtles can prey on young turtles. Some hatchling painted turtles will remain in their nests throughout the winter before moving to water in the following spring. These young turtles actually survive freezing their body fluids as they remain in the nest. There are a number of frogs which can survive freezing, such as wood frogs and tree frogs, but hatchling painted turtles are the only amniotes known to do so.